Andito tayo ngayon sa Gabaldon Building, isang heritage site dito sa Umingan at parte na rin ng kasaysayan ng aming bayan.
The Gabaldon Building of Umingan Central Elementary School holds a significant place in the history of education in Umingan. Established in 1921, it has stood at the center of the town for over a century. It serves as a beacon of knowledge, hope, and opportunity for countless learners over the years. Designed by architect William Parsons, and it was funded through the Gabaldon Act of 1907, written by Isauro Gabaldon. Its distinctive neoclassical structure and facade set it apart from the other buildings in the area, making it a landmark of Umingan. Throughout its history, the Gabaldon Building has witnessed generations of students passing through its halls. It has played a crucial role in educating the minds and futures of individuals who have gone on to make significant contributions to society. As Umingan Central Elementary School continues to uphold its legacy of academic excellence and community service, it is important for us to reflect on the contributions of the Gabaldon Building in shaping the educational landscape of our town. It has weathered many storms, from surviving natural disasters to adapting educational trends. This building remained steadfast in its commitment to providing quality education to the community. As we look back to the history of the Gabaldon Building, we are reminded of its enduring legacy as a symbol of academic excellence and cultural heritage. It continues to inspire learners and teachers with its timeless beauty and significance in our history. The Gabaldon Building stands as a testament that continues to serve as a place of learning and growth for the current and future generation of learners in the municipality of Umingan.
Sa lahat ng bayan, may iniingat-ingatan. Dito sa Umingan, itong gusali ng Gabaldon. Sa katunayan, nakatala na rin ito sa National Commission for Culture and the Arts.